in reverent memory and sacred milestones. Today, we lovingly commemorate the 12th death anniversary of our former chief incumbent of Sri Tarunodayaramaya, most venerable Maduve Sugata Siri Mahathero. His noble service, wisdom, and compassion continue to guide our community on the path of Dhamma. This sacred day was further blessed with two important milestones. The first one is the installation of a new temple bell, spreading its serene resonance throughout our village. Second one, the laying of the foundation stone for the lamp house, Pahange, a symbol of light, wisdom, and blessings for generations to come. The foundation stone for lamp house, Pahange, was laid down in the holy presence of our most venerable Pujya Mahaladuwa Nandaratna Mahathero. Our another Bhante Jnanaratna and Sivali Thero were also present, and they chanted the Pirit. The whole temple was decorated very nicely with Panchasil flags, and so many lights also. In this way, there was a serene atmosphere in Sri Tarunodayaramaya Mahaladuwa, Balapitiya, Sri Lanka. And the devotees, they came from the villages, they worshipped the Chaitya, they did Chaitya Vandana. Many devotees came and they did the puja. After that, there was a Dhamma discourse also, and all the devotees took the blessings from our guest Pante who came from nearest Pansala, nearest temple of Hinatiya. It was really very nice arrangement, and it was very nice. Like every year after the Buddha Puja, Sri Tarunodayaramaya Mahaladuwa Balapitiya, they offered the delicious foods like every year after the death of our most venerable Bante Sugata Siri Mahastavira. All old people, they came to the temple and they took the delicious foods and medicines and other necessary things were also distributed to them. At last, the Pirit Nool or the protective threads was tied to all the members of the old age home who were there, and they were very happy. At last, all went back to the old age home with a good smile.